bathukhumala umntungwa umbulazi umzilikazi kamashobane wena wadla umuntu wamyenga ngendaba udonda intombi ngesizulu.
Ngicela ukubongela laphana abantu abakwazile ukuhlabana emcimbini kaDokotela uNgizwe okuyena ohead ama-Satma Award. Iwona ama-award oqala nga ayiqonde ngcono umuntu omnyama. uNgizwe insizwa zalendwedwe uChangaza amageza ngoba uNhlunu owakwazi ukuthi abe nesibindi ngonyaka ka-2005 asungule ama-Satma South African Traditional Music Award. Ahamba ibanga elide kakhulu. Uzokhumbula ukuthi indidane uMtshengiseni Khwenza uyawazi ama-Satma Award, uMgqumeni uyawazi ama-Satma Award, uBhekumuzi uyawazi ama-Satma Award. The most legends artists that sing traditional music, they know ama-Satma Awards. And ahambile ngisho umhlaba wonke. They invited the Martin Luther King the Jr., the Martin Luther King the Third in South Africa. They invited Malcolm X. They invited umndeni wamaqhawe ase-Africa who have fought for our freedom and for our black skin. Nkoba, you are the best. And Nkoba, out of all the challenges that South Africa is facing, you have managed to conquer and acknowledge the black skin. And ukuthi wena mfowethu ugijime uhambe wonke ama-province to make sure ukuthi ama-Satma are being acknowledged in every corner of South Africa. That is so powerful. I admire you, my brother. Ngicela ke ukubongela umfowethu uTumakahle omncane wasengoji oyikhulelayo nje nomkhuhlane wakhe. uNkulunkulu wami umbone ezacile nje, hayi akona umzimba wakhe uyixakekele, uyagula, unosizi, uneyinkinga, but he's an artist who have managed to make everyone happy in terms of music. There's an artist engaphewa wonke ama-artist angontanga yakhe aminesibindi sokwazi ukumela iqiniso, alimele ekukhanyeni, alimele ebumnyameni. Tumakahle, you are the best. Tumakahle uyiqhawe. Tumakahle ngiyakubongela mfowethu to win the best maskandi. You must know that award yaphathwa uMgqumeni ngonyaka ka-2008. Leyo award yaphathwa iPhofula kaDikatika ngonyaka ka-2008. Ngokuthatha kancane lokho Tumakahle uyiqhawe mfowethu. Ngiyakubongela futhi ngifisela inhlanhla iqhubekela phambili. Ngithi iNingizimu Afrika yonkana as uPresident wamabhinqa, this is the highest office in the land. This is the highest office in the land of amabhinqa. This is the highest office emhlabeni wabantu abamnyama. Yingakho kumanje ngiphethe ifoni ngesandla ngoba ukuhlupheka kuthina is a victory. Xa kuthina is a victory. I don't even have izinto lezi to uyakhanyisa ngapha wenzani ukuze life wakho ube right. I don't care about those things. I only care about the message. Congratulations Tumakahle mfowethu. Mangikhumbula ingoma yakho lapha la ethi ngizela amathotha amahlanu amabili aboshiwe amanye izinkabe kholi yonke le nto leyo, it shows you ukuthi njengomuntu omnyama ukujula ukuthi kungakanani. Uphinde futhi uzokhumbula ukuthi iapulazi lami ngiyalithanda inkinga yalilodwa lipake njengomlungu. Lokho kuhloniphisa ngendlela ohloniphisa ngayo esimeni okhuluma ngaso, that is being the best. Noma kahle ngiyakubongela mfana wakithi. Angikwazi ukungena live, ngibongele uGatsheni insizwa eyacula nensizwa esebenza kwa-eNcoma, DTG lesi ayicula nasi ibhimbi leli eyayicula nalo yona igagu lesobhongolo, wayicula nalomfana lo uGovuzile. Wabekezela ngeke uGovuzile wafika qala emculweni futhi wayenamandla okurekhoda ngoba esebenza kwa-eNcoma. uGatsheni engenawo amandla, khuzani lo umfo kaNdlovu, kodwa wayesebekezelela sona isimuncwane lesi esiwukhunjana, isimuncwane lesi esiwuGovuzile ukuthi ke bakwazi ukurekhoda ndawonye. That is a historic moment. Today uGatsheni win a song of the year. Song of the year mabhinqa, ngicela sihloniphe siphinde sikubongele ukuthi umuntu omncane nosebenzile, akekho umuntu ongayazi ingoma ethi uthi ngithatha into zami mina ngikhoduke ngindise ongindise kude kwela kithi. Akekho ongayazi ingoma ethi laphana ke ethi ke umfazi ongahloniphi ngeke azakane. So ke izinto ezinjengalezo kumalekile siyincoma into maskandi ngithi ngiyathemba uyabona umjolist ngithi yathemba uyabona umjabulisi lembongolo le nobuso obuqondile ngithi mina mfana wami sukumane nithathe ihlangu kubafana bafokazana nenze sure ukuthi you become the best lento ayingafi mina I'm the president of the Benga nation umsebenzi wami is to throw the spear to the next generation ngicela niyazi lento iphile kini iziphile ngisho iphila ngisho ngasekho yokuthi the leader who does not acknowledge and inspire the next generation akuyena umholi loyo umthakathi lowo namhlanje mina ngikhuluma ngomfana phetheni abasondele kwi character yami kodwa namhlanje abakhona aba-existayo bangaka abantu who will inspired by umfana phetheni as a result of my character. How can I suppress that person?